Hi, I'm Dr. Tony, and the number one question that is always asked to me is, can chiropractic help? Well, that's a very vague general question. Generally, I would say yes, chiropractic can help with a lot of conditions. Now, throughout my website, you will see a whole slew of conditions, like allergies, for example, and how chiropractic can help with that. There's a lot of research studies out there, and there's links to different things where you can find and research this even deeper. But I encourage you to sign up for our email list on the side here, and then that way we can set you up with an initial consultation where you and I can sit down at a specific time where it is just only you and we can discuss whatever problem that you have. I can do an exam, find out chiropractically, one, if you're a candidate. You may not be a candidate for chiropractic at all, but this is the best way for us to determine if chiropractic can help you or not, is to fill in your name and address over here at the right, and we'll send you that free initial consultation coupon. And give me a call, 215-547-1977. Again, I'm Dr. Tony, and I look forward to meeting you.